What's the meaning of and or? An or. An or. An or. An or. An or.
The term and or is a conjunction used to indicate that one or more of the connected options may apply. It is often used when there is uncertainty or ambiguity about whether both options are needed, or if only one is required. For example, the phrase, "Please bring your passport and/or driver's license," suggests that either document would be acceptable for identification purposes. The use of and or can make a statement more flexible and inclusive, but it can also sometimes lead to confusion or imprecision.